Good morning. We are going to be leaving Springfield today and heading to Chicago. I gotta map out where I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna have my coffee this morning and do that. I was up until almost 2 o'clock last night, so I think I got 5 hours of sleep. I'm tired. Coffee is definitely needed. It's 43 degrees. It's a little cold. So why am I outside? Because it's better lighting. Going to go ahead and pack everything up and get ready to travel. I am actually backtracking today because I missed something that I really wanted to photograph. It is a section of Route 66 that's the original brick paved section.
This 1.4-mile stretch, known as the Auburn Brick Road, spans back to 1930 when it was a part of the original Route 66.
Every time I get out, this dog wants to join me. I almost missed this, and this is kind of cool. Very unique section of Route 66, and I had to backtrack because I had to photograph it. It was a must. Get in your seat. There you go. We're heading north. We're gonna see how far we can make it. According to my route, it looked like with all the stops that I wanted to do, it was about a 4-hour drive.
The 1930 historic gas station in Williamsville, Illinois, once aligned with Route 66 until it was eventually bypassed in 1940.
I'm in a different world. Ooh. I'm in a different world. Ooh.
Mostly farmland, and then you have these small little quirky cute towns. They're adorable. It's fun. I love this. This is a section of old Route 66 that is no longer accessible. There's actually a cemetery surrounding it, but that leads the way west. Now this is cool. People used to travel this road to go across country. It is a narrow 2-lane road. I'm not sure how far I can go down, but we're gonna walk a little bit more.
Dressed in white, walked into the light. Into a different world. Can you see me? I look translucent, but I feel the same.
So on to the next location. Route 66, it's strange because it weaves in and out throughout Illinois. It's not that smooth, but a lot of it's still used. Oh, well, that's good. Find my debit card out here. That's not what you want to lose. Move over. They never listen. This is what they do. They get in my seat. Hi, Charlie. Can you move over, baby?
Welcome to Gardner, Illinois. We're happy that you've taken the time to visit and explore these unique and one-of-a-kind pieces of Route 66 folklore You're now at the historic 1906 two-cell jail. Legend has it that this jail never held any dangerous desperados. It was used mainly to control hobos and vagrants, especially during the 1930s Depression era. This original 1800s horse-drawn streetcar was used as a diner on Route 66 from 1932 to 1939. This piece of Gardner history has been moved to this location so that you can experience what it was like to travel and eat in the early days of Route 66.
Walking through